Hey, what's going on? My name is Don. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple heat map using Python. We're going to be using the libraries Matplotlib, and we're going to be using NumPy. And we're going to use as our code editor Visual Code or Visual Studio Code. So let's begin. First thing first, we're going to create a folder. We're going to hit New, we're going to hit Folder, and we're going to name this, just say Heatmap Project. Heatmap Project. Next, we're going to go into Visual Code Studio or Visual Studio Code. I always get that mixed up. We're going to go to File, and we're going to select our folder. And what this is going to do is this is going to select our folder that we created as the directory, and all of our files that we're going to create for this program will go into this folder. Now that we have that set up, we're going to hover over our program over our folder, and we're going to hit New File. You're going to left click that and you're going to type in Python. And then you're going to hit Enter. To do that, you're going to hit File, Save As, and it'll be automatically in the directory and just say heatmap.py. Okay, now that we have that set up, we're going to import NumPy. Import NumPy as np. We'll now import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Don't worry, that red line will go away once we start putting in more value or more code. Now that we have that set up, we're going to create a random correlation for our matrix, and we're going to leave a comment here for that code so we don't forget that. We're going to say np.random.seed, parentheses, I'm going to put 0. Next, we're going to do correlation of matrix equals np.random.rand. Now we're going to create a figure and an axis. And first things first, we are going to leave a comment. We're going to explain what we're doing. So we're going to say this will create a figure and axis. So we're going to say fig, comma, ax for axis equals plt.subplots. Next, we're going to create the heat map. So we're going to say this will create a heat map. So we're going to say heat map, the variable heat map equals ax show hot. So this is creating the part of the heat map. And it's explaining right here different sections of the heat map that are going to be hot. Now that we have that set up, now we're going to set the ticks and the labels and rotations of the heat map. So we're going to say this will set the tick, labels, and rotation. So we're going to start off, we're going to say ax.set ax ticks on the x-axis. Let's see, x.set y ticks. This part right here is going to be kind of repetitive. Make sure you spell matrix correct. Make sure you spell everything correctly. This is very important. Anything you may misspell will cause an error and it may not work properly. Now this part will add the color bar. Hit file, save. And now we will hit play or hit the run button. Sometimes it takes a minute, especially for some reason my computer is running slow today. Okay, we have an error. It says trace back error line 15. Let's see, let's take a look. Line 15. ax.set underscore xtigs np.arrange correlation underscore matrix dot shape. Oh, there we go. Typo. Like I said before, it's very important that you spell this correctly. As you can see, I forgot the E, so let's try that again. Hit file, save. Let's clear our terminal, by the way. You can clear your terminal by typing in clear. There you go. Now let's hit the run button again. line 17. All right, let's take a look. What did we do wrong on line 17? Says line 17 in module ax.set. Object has no attribute. Set underscore x text labels. Did you mean set x text labels? Let's take a look. Line 17. ax.set underscore x text. I'm pretty sure it's a typo. Or x text. Oh, it's because I put ticks. Should be tick labels. My mistake. Let's try that again. And there we go. We have our heat map. What's cool too, like if you use the cursor, it tells you at where you're at on your heat map, all these different things.